105 SL Plus printhead pressure adjustment. With the printer in pause test mode, press Setup Exit. Press the minus key to lower the darkness setting. Press pause twice to print an under-burn test label. Open the media door. Loosen the toggle bar locking nut on the toggle assemblies. Open the printhead. Position the toggle assemblies as necessary to balance head pressure across the label, then re-tighten the toggle bar locking nuts. To increase or decrease printhead pressure, move the pressure adjustment nuts upward or downward to vary the spring tension. To lock the toggle pressure setting, tighten the locking nut against the adjusting nut. Press pause twice to print a test label. Verify that the print density is now even across the label. Increase the darkness setting to your desired level. Press pause twice to check the print quality. Press Setup Exit and then Next Save. Close the media door. Turn the printer off and then restart it to take it out of test mode. We recommend using the lowest pressure setting that provides the desired print quality.